Capital A. Start from the top and draw slanting line downwards. Go to the top again and draw another slanting line down. Now go little below the middle and draw a slipping line across. Yes, capital A. A is for alligator. Capital B. Start from the top and draw a standing line down. Go back to the top and draw a curve to the middle. Then draw a curve joining to the bottom. B is for balloon. Capital C. Start from the top and draw a curve touching bottom. C is for candy. Capital B. Start from the top and draw a standing line down. Go again to the top and draw a curve till the bottom. D is for duck. Children, now let's have some fun. Release this balloon on the count of 3. 1, 2, 3. Capital E. Start from the top and draw a standing line down. Go again to the top and draw a slipping line to the right. And go to the middle and draw another line. Lastly, go to the bottom and draw another slipping line. E is for eagle. Capital F. Start from the top and draw a standing line down. Go again to the top and draw one slipping line to the right. Then go to the middle and draw another line same way. F is for flamingo. Capital G. Start from the top and draw a curve touching a bottom till the middle line and draw a slipping line in middle. G is for garden. Let's have some fun. Jump, jump, jump. Jump, jump, jump. Capital H. Starting from the top, draw two standing lines, one after the other, till the bottom. Then go to the middle and join the two lines with a slipping line. H is for helicopter. Capital I. Start from the top and make one standing line down. Then make two small slipping lines, one at the top and another at the bottom. I is for ice cream. Capital J. Start from the top and draw a standing line to the bottom with a small backward curve. J is for jacket. Let's select one stamp. I will select the orange one. Capital K. Start from the top and draw a standing line down. Go back to the top and make a slanting line to the left. Then make the slanting line till the right bottom. K is for king. Capital L. Start from the top and draw a standing line down. From the bottom, draw a slipping line to right side. L is for lion. Capital M. Start from the top and draw a standing line. Go back to the top and draw a slanting line. Another slanting line. Up to the top. Now draw standing line to the bottom. M is for monkey. Okay, children, collect your gift. Purple? No. Purple is empty. Blue? Yay! Teddy bear. Capital N. Start from the top and draw a standing line down. Go back to the top and draw a slanting line to the right. Now draw one more line up to the top. N is for notebook. Capital O. Start from the top and draw a big circle to the left. O is for ostrich. Capital P. Start from the top and draw a standing line down. Go again to the top and draw a curve to the middle. P is for penguin.